Hi guys, we got the Instant Pot, as you've probably seen in the previous video on Poverty Point Customs, the unboxing of the Instant Pot. So we've been dying to try it, so here we are. We got the 8 quarts Instant Pot. Comes with a whole bunch of accessories, but one of them is the little rack. So this is good for if you're steaming vegetables, or like today we're making ribs. So all the fat will be able to kind of go at the bottom of the pot and not in our meat. So if you don't have the rack, that's okay. Just use aluminum foil and then just crumble it up in little balls and put it at the bottom so that your meat can rest on it. So instead of just putting nothing at the bottom, we're going to put a little bit of liquid to either keep the meat moist and give it a little bit more flavor. So today all we're going to put is a cup of water, half a cup of apple cider vinegar, and just going to give it a little smoky flavor. We're just going to put a 1/4 teaspoon of liquid smoke. If you don't have any, that's okay, but this is really going to take it over the top. So like I said, cup of water, the grill at the bottom, water. This is your half a cup of apple cider vinegar. And the last thing is our liquid smoke. And this is pretty strong, so you really don't need much. So like I said, about a 1/4 teaspoon. There you go. So the next step is our ribs. So I picked up a pork back rib cut. It was on sale, so figured I'd try that. Normally for rub, I do a homemade one with paprika and brown sugar and cumin and a whole bunch of spices. But today I didn't really have time, so I just did a combination of something I had already on hand. So I have a maple bacon rub and a honey garlic. So I kind of mixed those two together. Front and back part of the ribs, and also I took off the membrane, so when you go to bite into your ribs, it just breaks apart a lot easier and super easy to take off too. So then, meat side out of the Instant Pot. And then put the other one. Okay, so now the ribs are inside the Instant Pot. Now this is pressure cooker, so we gotta make sure that the lid is on and that it seals perfectly. So they kind of help us with the arrows here on top. There you go, that means that's in. You turn it over to close it. So here's our easy setting. So this is already plugged in, so it shows off, but once we click meat, we want it for 25 minutes. Wait 5 seconds, and it should start. Alright, so the 25 minutes just went off, and this went automatically into a keep warm. We waited about 10 minutes for it to kind of naturally release the steam and the pressure in the pot. The pink thing here was still up. We moved it to the venting, and then all of a sudden you see the steam come out, and this, you can get to see what it looks like inside. That's the thing, there's no windows, right? So, oh, they look pretty cooked. I'm going to take a spatula and take them out. Oh wow, okay. So this should be fun because good news, bad news. They are just falling apart here. Alright, so that's one of them. Oh yeah, the bones are just like wanting to come off. Alright, so we're not quite done here. We're going to add some barbecue sauce. And I got the oven on broil, so we'll put those in there for about 3-5 minutes. Just kind of give it extra flavor and just kind of give it more taste. It smells good though. And you just grab whatever sauce you want. We just use the Sweet Baby Ray's hickory and brown sugar. And I'll just brush these on. Like so. So this is going to give you some nice crispy bits, some all caramelized because of the sugar and the barbecue sauce. Alright. I put it so that the pan's right under the broiler. And we'll just keep an eye out so it doesn't burn, but it should be about 3 to 5 minutes. About 3 to 5 minutes. So it really doesn't take long. Oh yeah, look at that. So, now's the fun part. I'm gonna try them. So if you enjoy these type of videos where you watch us cook, just leave a comment, let us know what else we could try in the Instant Pot. I just suggest take some aluminum foil and then crumble up in boxes, or in cut. Hi guys, I'm sure you've already seen the unboxing video. Hi guys, so today we're gonna show you the Instant Box, or you've already seen.
Sorry. I gotta go back a little bit because it zoomed in.
Alright, so now the 25 minutes went off, and it automatically went into a keep calm or keep warm mode. So because it's